What can Annotate Pro do for you? Easily insert saved feedback and dynamic rubrics into Canvas, Blackboard, Google Docs, emails, or almost anywhere you can add text in Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Microsoft Word. Favorite comments so they're always one click away, saving you even more time when providing common feedback. And customize how your favorites and other comments appear in the helpful AP toolbar. Provide personalized feedback using feedback forms. Create dynamic rubrics that do the math for you. And create a coherent narrative response for students. Save time by harnessing our pre-written libraries of expert feedback, written by education experts, that increase the quality of feedback you provide and saves you time. View a history of the feedback you've created and analytics on usage so you can identify opportunities for your students. Check out our deep support site for step-by-step guides to getting the most out of AP. And welcome.